To Gariautocare, I'm Team Wire. Right now I have the Toyota Allion. This vehicle has a problem with the ABS. Look at the dashboard. We have ABS on the dashboard. Scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. ABS. So according to the ABS, when you try to scan, it said that the communication failed because please check if the vehicle's voltage is within the reasonable range between 11 to 14. Here the voltage is almost 15. Please check if the pin DLC and VS are damaged or missing, or please check if the DLC can have proper, so meaning there's no communication between the ABS and so here there's no any communication between the ABS and my scanner. So what I'm going to do, look at the ABS actuator socket. We have a lot of rust, then we have the broken pin, so I'm going to swap that socket with a new socket. This is the new socket that I'm going to swap. This is the first step, so I'm going to swap those sockets. It takes around 15 minutes to do that, because any slight mistake you interfere with ABS harness, so you need to be very careful. No mistake. Like that. If you are swapping any sockets, to make sure you give 100% concentration, because any slight mistake will affect everything. Will affect ABS itself, at the same time will affect the ABS harness. So you need to be very careful when you are swapping the ABS socket. One by one, step by step. To avoid confusion and to avoid mistake. We are almost there, as in around 6 wire out of 36. Those are pins that have removed the new ABS socket. I remained one pin here, like that. I think right now we are done. Look at the old socket. This is the new socket. Now everything is perfect. See the new socket, and this was the old socket. So the main problem with the ABS socket. Let's go back and confirm. Right now everything's intact. So even in the diagnostic machine the ABS is okay. Let me scan again. See, the ABS doesn't have any fault code. See, so the main problem with the ABS. Let me put ignition on. The ABS is reporting, then goes, let me start the vehicle. So right now everything's working perfect. Everything is working perfect. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.